Hi guys, Kandi Toy Box here. Today we're going to continue restoring my vintage candy. I pulled out some to show you, and I have one that we're going to restore today. This one I got my first year raving in Cleveland, and it has these little sparkly pom-poms. I did restore this one many years ago because I wore it a lot. It's one of my favorites for sure. I found some more jelly bracelets. This little fuzzy jelly bracelet. I got this one at a party called Candyland at the Dayton Gym Club. Wait, was it the Gym Club? You know what? That one might have been in the Roller Dome. I have to check the flyer. But it was in Dayton. It has these cute little bears and it has glow-in-the-dark beads. This one I have not repaired, but they used a thick elastic, and this one's held up pretty good over the years. Now this one I got my first year raving, first or second, so 2000, 2001. This one I also did have to repair, but this bead is so cool. It's like a clay heart, and of course it has the tri beads. I'm sure I got to pick this one out if I remember, but I really like this one. And here's the one we're going to repair. I'm sure I got this at a Dayton party. I can't quite remember, but I don't think that this was made. I think this was like, they probably won it at an arcade. It's like a pre-made, but it has really fun beads. Like, I love these little glitter discs in these round balls, and it's rainbow. But yeah, this one is stretched out really good. Now for this one, I know I'm not going to be able to use my needle because these holes are so small, so I'm going to have to cut it as I go, or put them on as I go. I'm going to use this as a stopper at the end. And hopefully these beads will go through the string, but we're about to find out. So I'm going to go ahead and cut it and try not to disturb the pattern. Let's see. I'm thinking, bead-tin, if you're watching, we need we need these glitter disc beads. They're so pretty. And I can't wait to be able to wear this one again. trying to see if I could put 2 on at a time. I don't know. This one's easy, the pattern's easy to remember because it's in the rainbow. That helps. Uh-oh. Go in there. It gets a little tricky when the hole is that small, like the string barely goes through it. But I'm glad that it fits. Because I don't like to use anything thinner than this. Because I know it'll break too easy. These are stuck together. No. Oh, it fell right on my leg. That was lucky. It is pretty small. Take that bead off. Okay, here's that old string. And here's what it looks like. That feels so much better. Oh, I love it. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this little video and I'll see you next time.